Hey, it's Lisa Tippen-Morris, and thanks for coming to my channel. I haven't been doing YouTube in a while. I started YouTube 9 years ago playing around with this awesome product that I loved. It's called SeneGence, and it was lip sense, and it was lipstick that you could put on and it would stay on. And it changed my life, actually. So I had signed up to become a distributor literally just for the fun of it because I was a bored housewife. See, there's so many people that sign up to be a distributor for many different reasons. Some people are bored and they want something fun to do. Some people want to make additional money. That would probably be everybody. Some people want to earn trips. Some people just want to have girl time. Some people do it for the discount so that they can get a discount on their products that they're purchasing. Now, I'm going to say I joined exactly like I said in the beginning, just for the fun of it. I made some YouTube videos. They were horrific. Like, my skin did not look good at the time. No, it did not. And that was 9 years ago. So I am 56 years old now. The reason I have stayed with SeneGence is the product for sure is phenomenal. I can't even say enough about the product. All the products, and at the beginning when I only used lip sense and gloss, I loved it. And then when I first saw cream to powder eyeshadows, I'm like, no, and I'm no on cream blush. I'm not interested in any of that. I just want to do the lip color. Well, boy, has my life changed and my skin changed when I started using all the skincare and the makeup. And I've been using all the skincare and all the makeup now for 8.5 years. I would never change. It takes, I'm not even doing this for money. I'm not doing a YouTube video to make money. I'm doing a YouTube video to show a passion for a real product that really does work. And to tell you that a career path, that if you stick with that path, and it's something that you really love it, and there's a reason you love it, you can be successful, in whatever you choose to do. The reason I choose SeneGence is because I love fashion. I love jewelry. I love clothes. I love makeup. I love to change my hair every few weeks, not even months. Girl, if you hadn't changed your hair in the past year, it's past time. And if you haven't changed it since high school, nobody even knows you're alive. I'm just telling you, honestly, nobody, okay? So here's another example of hair. I'm getting off on hair. That would be me. If no one has told you in the past 6 months that your hair looks good, you need to change it, okay? Because it's not good. Nobody's looking at your hair, girl. So your hair is part of the way you look. So when you first meet a person, whether it be on Facebook, videos, in person, at church, at the grocery store, get yourself a cute, updated hairstyle, throw on some makeup, have fun. Put some cute clothes on. That's what makes me happy. I love to get up and get dressed. Every morning, it's like crazy, even if I'm not going anywhere. I still get up, I get dressed, I fix my hair, I do my face, and it makes me feel like I am accomplishing something, and it puts me in work mode. So, talking about SeneGence and the skincare itself and the makeup. So, when you talk about the skincare and the makeup, we have an ingredient that's in our products, and it's called Cineplex Complex. What is Cineplex Complex? Cineplex Complex is an active kinetic enzyme that rushes healthy skin cells to the surface of your skin. What is it? It's called Cineplex Complex. This is the beauty book that comes in orders. As a distributor, if you're a distributor, you want to make sure you keep some of these books and you give them to your customers. It explains in here about Cineplex Complex. Now, you don't have to know everything to do this business, because if I had to know everything to do this business, I would still not be doing the business after 9 years, because I still don't know everything. I do know these products work. I do know my skin is so much better than it ever has been. I do know that my makeup stays on. I do know that the makeup that I wear is good for my skin, and it feels like it's weightless. I don't feel it. It's long-lasting color cosmetics that contain Cineplex Complex, like this beauty book will explain. If you're a really in scientific person and you like details, it's all in the book. But what happens is that active kinetic enzyme that's in these products. So what is it in? Oh boy. It's in our facial resurfacer, which everybody needs to use. It gets rid of all the yucky dead skin off your face. It's in our cleanser. It's in our retinol treatment. It's in our foundation. It's in our blush. It's in our Neotype, which like every woman in the world and man that has wrinkles around their eyes, bags, or crow's feet, you need to try this Neotype. This is amazing and it works in 5 minutes. Tightens the skin around your eyes. If you have crepey lids, for sure you want to use Neotype. Now our eyeshadows are cream. So what I've even done for even extra tightness around my eyes, I have actually added a tad of the Neotype to some of the cream shadow before I put the shadows on. Awesome idea, right? I know. So anyway, let's go back. So Cineplex Complex is that active kinetic enzyme, moving things around, that rushes healthy skin cells to the surface of the skin. So this is cream blush. This is Toasted Rose. That's the one I use the most. Cineplex Complex is in this. So what happens when you use these products? You are using everything that has Cineplex Complex in it. Your night cream, all the night stuff, the collagen, all has that in it. So every layer that you put on is another layer of Cineplex Complex. Now, that gives me passion because I know that my skin looks better than it ever has. I know that my makeup is going to stay on longer than any other makeup. Like I could go take a nap right now, wake up, my makeup would still be on and it would not be on my pillowcase. Not that I do that at night. Now, I might take a nap during the day, but I never sleep in my makeup. So I always use my cleanser, 3-in-1 cleanser. It's a 3-in-1 cleanser. It's $30. You can't beat it. I always use the Neotype. I use the retinol at night. You know, in the beauty book is a regimen on what to use and how to use it. You will love it. If you have not tried it, you should really try it. If you would like to order from me, I have a website. If you would like to become a distributor, you can do that. You can even be a Kiss and Tell preferred customer nowadays. So a Kiss and Tell customer means that you sign up to be a preferred customer. It costs $10. That's for a year. And you get 10% off all your orders. You get free shipping on all orders over $100. And we're always sending out free goodies with those orders. Or you can be a distributor, which means you could sign up, be a distributor at $65, and then you would actually go in and place an order for products. And I will direct you on how to do that. And then you can be sharing this with your friends like I did. Maybe whatever your reason would be, you can do it. You can do it. You can do whatever you set your mind to. And if you love it enough, I promise you, you can be successful. I promise you, you can be successful. Being a customer, like you might say, well, I really don't want to be a distributor. I said that in the beginning too. Gosh. And then I did. So I was a customer first, sorry. And I bought products and I paid regular price, shipping, all of that. Loved them so much. Then I decided I wanted to sign up, be a distributor for fun and have a good time. I'm still having a good time. So I would love to have you as a customer, a preferred customer, or a distributor on my team. I am Lisa Tippen-Morris and I will be glad to help you any way I can. You can email me, comment on this video, and give me a little love. Thanks, girls. Have a great day.